Hi everyone, today we're going to explain our key activity. The team is confirmed by me, Fatima Moncada Sanchez, and Vania Contreras Solano. The subject is computational thinking, and we are in the third semester of Prepa Tech Campus Toluca.
Well, for this project, we created our own game in Microbit, and it's called Starship Supremacy.
Yeah, for this, we need the inputs, button A to move to the right, and button B to move to the left, and button A plus B to launch and set the variables. In the process, we will need to use loops, also conditions, in this case, the if condition to set actions, and when the action is true, for example, when the enemy ship touches a player, you lose the game. Also, a sprite to set the X and Y axes, poses, and clear screen. Finally, we will use some tools of the area of mathematics. For example, we will use the pick random code to choose in which place to approach the enemy ships. On the other hand, the exits will show us the final project. For example, when a ship of the game touches you, the word game over will appear and you will have lost that round, as well as it will also show you your score. Also, when you shoot a ship, an explosion will be shown on the screen and your score will go up to 1.
Well, in a moment, we will show you the final version of our game, but first, we will introduce you the final algorithm. First, the game welcomes you. For this, we include the show string code and the play code music. Then the game starts on his own, and your ship will be ready to start playing. You will have to move your ship by pressing the button A or B button. For this to work, we use the ship variable and the sprite tool to move the player. Enemy ships will start falling, and you will have to dodge them by moving to the right with the button A and to the left with the B button. This was also coded with the sprite tool and with some math tools. Plus, the enemy ship variable had to be created. You will also have to shoot the enemy ship by pressing the A plus B button. In the code, we included the shoot variable to control the shoots. Then when you shoot an enemy ship, your score will change to 1. This works with the if condition. As long as you shoot the ships, your score will go up. As long as you dodge all the ships and shoot them, you will continue playing. You will lose the game if a ship hits you. For this, we use the if condition. So if a ship touches you, you lose the game. The game will indicate that you have lost when it shows you the phrase game over. We added more sprites to finish the game.
Then I will show you the simulation of our game.
Well, this is the code that we made. As you can see, we have some variables. We have the tool sprite, the tool pick random of mathematics, and also we have some tools of the category of basic, like the pauses and the tool show string. And also we have some conditions with the if and loops with repeat. Through this project, we were able to improve our creative and critical thinking skills, as we had to devise an electronic game based on our knowledge of microbit. Likewise, we were able to identify each essential element, such as the inputs, the elements to be included in the process, and what is part of the outputs. There were complications along the way, but with the help of the teacher and the collaborative work, a satisfactory solution was achieved. Finally, we can conclude that all this led us to new and great learning that will sorely help us in the future, because knowing how to program now is already in our knowledge.
Yeah, and for example, in my own reflection, I believe that this project contributed a lot in my life. For my part, I developed my computational logical thinking to a level that I never thought possible. It was really impressive. I am satisfied with my results. However, I think I could have given more of myself, but I quite liked the classes and I had a great time in this semester.
Yeah, for my part, well, this project helped me to improve my programming skills. Also, thanks to this project, I was able to learn more about the microbit program and study each of its tools. Undoubtedly, it is a work that took a lot of effort, but in the end, I am satisfied with my results. It also helped me to put into practice problem solving, mainly analysis and evaluation situations. I can conclude by saying that this subject represented great challenges that I managed to solve, and I am grateful for it. Thank you.
And that's all. Thank you for everything and bye.